Today we're in Triple Crown in Union, Kentucky, checking out Fischer Homes Patio Homes, which is some of their very, very popular floor designs. Coming up, we're gonna show you why. All right, hey guys, welcome back. My name is Sztanyo from Keller Williams Realty and TeamStanyo.com, where we are helping you find your home and strengthen your family. And today we're out in Union, Kentucky. I've been showing homes all day, all over Northern Kentucky. I was actually working with a client from out of town who's coming in for the weekend. That wanted to get a feel for the different school districts, different cities. So we started today in Fort Thomas, Kentucky, in Fort Thomas schools. We then made our way over to Lakeside Park and Edgewood and Fort Mitchell, kind of the Beechwood schools area. And then we made our way down south a little bit to Union, Kentucky. One of the most popular neighborhoods by far in all of Northern Kentucky, not just Union, is Triple Crown. Now, Triple Crown's been around for roughly 30 years or so now, and it's really developed into its own kind of little village. You know, all the neighborhoods are kind of interconnected, so it's got a great community feel. It's got a prestigious golf course and country club, which you can be a part of, or you can kind of have a quasi membership part of, whether you want to golf or not, or you just want to be a part of the swim and the pool area. That's great. But you have all these beautiful homes that are popping up that have that keep their value very strongly, and there's good reason why, as you can kind of take a look through this patio home by Fischer Homes. So in this home we're walking through is the Maxwell design, and we are in the Preakness neighborhood of Triple Crown. They're about sold out here, and you can see why. When you walk into this floor plan, when I showed my clients today, it was like, oh man, this is really nice. You've got a wide open kitchen and living room area. So open floor concept here on the first floor. It's not too big, you know, it's not a crazy amount of square footage to take care of. And some of these homes, as you get further out in the subdivisions in Westchester, or, you know, it can be like a really big home. So this is, I want to say it was like 1,800 square feet upstairs. And when you add the basement, which is finished, it gets closer to around 3,500 square feet overall. But one of the other nice features of this home is that besides this open floor plan in the living room, you've got a first floor master bathroom. It's really like really a ranch with a first floor master bedroom and master bath suite. And you've got laundry coming right off of the first floor master suite. Additionally, on this first floor, you have a study right off the front door. So for a lot of people who are working from home and maybe staying working from home, who started doing that during COVID and now are continuing to do that after COVID, that works out really nicely. You also have a second bedroom on this first floor that's on the other side of the house than the master. So that works out for kids or maybe even a mother-in-law suite. It's right off the garage. And then you have the option to finish the basement in this home. So they did it upright down here in the basement. They've got a full wet bar and fridge and cabinets. They put in a third bedroom. Fischer Homes did on this house. So you've got a third full bath down here, as well as a third bedroom here in the basement. And then additionally, besides the third bedroom, they put in a workout room down in the basement. So if you're working from home, if you've got kids, you've got your study upstairs, you've got your workout room in the basement, it's really an awesome, awesome floor plan. Now with Fischer Homes, one of the reasons why their patio homes are so popular is because everything in the exterior is taken care for you by the HOA. So you don't have to mow the lawn, you don't have to do the landscaping, you don't have to shovel the driveway. They take care of that for you, which is why it's an extremely popular choice for both busy families, honestly, and those who are retired, where it's like, great, I don't have to mow the lawn, I'll pay you a little bit extra in the HOA and you can take care of that for me. All right guys, so as I tend to say in all of these new construction videos, before you go out to the model home, I strongly recommend that you get a buyer's agent on your side. So what do I mean by that? When you walk into the model home with Fischer, Miranda, Dries, Schmidt, whoever, all of those homes are gonna have a sales rep at the house. They're gonna walk you through everything you need to know and they're gonna sell you. But they work for the builder, right? And so I strongly recommend go out, get yourself do your research, call us if you want, we'd love to help you out. Get yourself a buyer's agent on the front end so that when you walk into the home, you've got someone working on your side. Now, it costs you nothing, $0. The builder is gonna cover the commission for your agent, okay? But now you have someone on your side. You have someone who is gonna help walk you through the inspections, talk through the different neighborhoods with you, the different school districts, can help you with taxes. All the questions you have, they can answer. And if they're doing good at their job, they might be able to get you some extra discounts because they have prior relationships with the builders that you might not be able to get just buying the home, walking into the model home without an agent on your side. So be sure to reach out to an agent before you walk into that model home. Now, just to wrap this up, there are a few more lots here in Triple Crown that have these patio homes available. Actually, right out the window, you might even be able to see this behind me. Okay, so you see this one right here behind me. That one's being built. That is the exact same floor plan as this one, the Maxwell. By the time this video comes out, that one might be sold, but there are 2 other lots coming that will be market-ready homes. Not this Maxwell, but I believe it's the Wilmington, and I forget the other design from Fischer Homes. So if you do want a patio home inside a Triple Crown, you better act fast. Now they have tons of other different layouts and floor plans to choose from, but this concept of the patio home that people really like, where it's kind of a smaller footprint, usually a ranch, and the exterior, all the landscaping is taken care of you, that's happening here. Coming up soon, something to look out for is a new development by Fischer Homes called the Villas at Union Point. They're not going to be patio homes, they're going to be paired patio homes, which is a very similar concept. You can get up to a 4-bedroom home. The home is actually attached, it's kind of 2 houses in one with a divider in the middle, but people love those layouts, and more importantly, they like the price point because those are starting in the 300s, whereas most of these patio homes here in Triple Crown are probably in the 400s, might even get up into the 500s. But you can get a paired patio home that has a lot of the same features as the patio home, also getting the exterior taken care of for you, ranch style. They're gonna go super fast, but be on the lookout for those coming up soon. All right guys, that's gonna do it for this one. If you're looking for a patio home or really any other style and you're trying to get in Triple Crown in Union, Kentucky, give us a call at Team Sztanyo, 513-813-6293. We'd love to help you find the perfect home that's perfect for you and your family. Thanks so much for watching guys. We'll see you next time.